I told him to stay here so he can go straight.
Let's go down. It's not cold. I don't know if I packed correctly. So how long is the flight itself?
I just dropped Selena off at the airport, and now it's time for the bro trip. I was actually just like rocking out to some music, but then I realized that don't need a copyright strike. So I just arrived at my brother's apartment complex. So I'm going to unload the car, walk into the house, and wait for him to get off of work because this is actually a Friday. All right, see you in there. Finally made it. I am in here, waiting for him to get home. I'll give you a little tour later, but first I'm gonna step out onto his little deck here and bask in the joy. I actually need to unpack the car, and I'm in not visitor parking, so residential parking, so I'm taking somebody else's spot. But their spots don't have numbers, so it shouldn't matter too much. I'm talking to the camera, and I don't have to, so I'm hoping that the lighting is better standing over here because I just did a shot and it looked horrible. So Nikasi is finally back, and we still have a good amount of sunlight, and it's like the first 65 plus day in like forever. So we're gonna go fly the drone. Cut to that footage now. Hold on, let me show you something. You see that? It's because I'm proud to be an American. No, it's it is entirely
I thought you were showing me something for real.
too windy to fly the drone, it seems. We might still try, but I think we're getting the, what do you call that? The ripple effect from the water.
That's literally what we're getting.
It's, yeah. Because the weather was kind of not ideal to fly the drone, we went for a hike instead.
Not bad.
Not bad. This is actually a pretty cool hike. And what I'm gonna do is get some B-roll of us walking. How long this video is going to be, but we just got back from our hike and then we went to the supermarket, and now we're going to make some pizza and wings and some drinks so we can watch a movie and chill out. This is not a cooking channel, so I'm not really going to show you anything, but I might show footage of us actually like prepping. Maybe. We'll see how I feel.
Who has the shine, cause he know he has the glow. Me say you down now, because you down now. Who got the baddest bitch in there with no clothes? Me say you down now, because you down now. Who have to jump up on the beat and murder with the flow? Me say you down now, because you down now. And if you're down now, then you're down now. And
So I just got a pizza peel, and yeah. I don't think I quite know how to use it properly just yet. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are again attempting to fly the drone. This is season 2 of Fly the Drone. Hopefully the winds are forever in our favor.
Season 2, it's only the second episode.
It's one season per day.
Pretty quick season.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so we got to the first spot that we're gonna try to shoot. The wind is a little temperamental, but we're not gonna do anything too crazy. I think we're just gonna fly up, maybe around, do a couple of pan outs. Nikasi's actually a better drone pilot than I am because of the video games, but I'm gonna see if I can get some practice in and do some stuff and let him party out freestyle style. But this is what we're shooting. And this is what it looks like. Okay.
I'll talk to you later. Have fun during the videos and stuff. Are you vlogging?
I am. I keep saying to Nikasi, I was like, I'm not gonna have Selena catch me slipping. I'm not gonna have her catch me slipping. So I'm trying to get as much as I can.
Tell little brother I said hi.
I will.
Love you.
I love you too. I'll talk to you soon.
Okay.
Bye. So we're back from flying the drone. I think we got some dope shots. Nikasi is in the shower because we're getting ready to go again. We're gonna fly it one more time and then we're off to brew some beer. I'm pretty excited about this. We've been trying to brew beer together for like a long time. I bought like a couple of kits online and we attempted to do it and none of them came out good. Probably because like we weren't really reading the instructions. We were just kind of clowning around with each other. I feel like we're gonna make an ale because we were both of the mind that we want something that you can have like all year round. I know some of the beer snobs are all about IPAs, but I feel like, yeah, if I wanted to get wasted on beer, I would drink whiskey. Anyway, I am going to watch some random YouTube videos while I wait for my brother to finish getting ready, and then more drone flying, brewing some beers, making some drinks, and having a good time in Boston. Okay, bye. Okay, it's about 1 o'clock, and we're gonna brew some beer. So we added the extracts and the sugar, and now we gotta add the hops. I didn't get footage of that because I had to stir while Nikasi was pouring it in. So all hands were occupied. But this is what we work with. Waiting to get to a certain temperature so we can put in the hops, and then we've got 3 more steps and probably about another half hour of this before we're done. It's good times. Okay, so we just got finished brewing some brews, and they told us that we gotta come back in 2 weeks because we gotta let it ferment. It was actually kind of cool. It was a nice little science experiment. I enjoyed myself. Homeboy gave us 2.5 free beers while we sat there and wait. I don't know if that's legal or not, but if it's not, then he didn't give us anything but water.
I mean, why would it be illegal?
I don't know. Maybe he doesn't have a liquor license. I don't know how it works.
Ooh, I mean, I feel like you have to have a liquor license in order to brew it. It'd be like kind of sus.
Yeah, I enjoyed myself. You enjoy yourself?
I did.
Make it count. We're at oh wait, I can't do that. What is this?
Quincy Quarry
There you go.
reservation. Don't forget the reservation.
Yes, Quincy
You can't
Quarry
get that one.
Reservation. And this is what we're working with. It was way too windy to fly the drone, so we climbed up the mountains and did this instead. the end of my brotherly weekend. I got most of my stuff packed. I'm waiting for my brother to finish doing what he's doing so I can say goodbye. I wish he lived closer, but I guess the advantage of living up here is I get to visit. Perfect excuse to explore. Okay, I got the last bag. I'm loading up. Ugh. And this is where we leave you. This is where we go our separate ways. Yeah.
I'm going to the gym.
Zip it up and zip it out. All right, me and you, we're gonna get back on the road. Let's do this. So, the perfect ending to my brother weekend, my guys trip weekend, is picking up my wife from her girls trip. I gotta help her with her bags.